Hey y'all, it's morning time if you could tell by my voice. Anyway, I decided to show you there's always time for breakfast. So in here I have 1 egg and I just put a little cinnamon and I'm going to add a splash of milk. So what I'm making is a quick French toast, and here we go. That's about 2 tablespoons of milk, maybe. Just a splash of milk is all you need. And so I'm only making French toast for 1. And then you mix it up, make sure it looks nice and well incorporated. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to the stove to show you how I do that part. So I have a preheated skillet here, and I put just a little bit of butter. And now I'm going to dip my bread into my egg and milk and cinnamon mixture. You don't want to dip it too long because it will absorb a lot of that mixture. Alright, so see, there's still a little left, and this makes just enough for 1 person. So if you have 2 people, you can add a little more milk. 3 people, another egg, and a little milk. Alright, so let me go ahead and put this one in to cook. Alright, so while this is cooking, you can be cleaning up. So it doesn't take long to cook, just a few minutes on each side. So you can have breakfast ready in less than 10 minutes. Alright, to make it healthier, you can use the whole grain bread, which is usually what I use. Alright, so this is done. So I got my coffee on. It would go faster, but I had it going on low today so I could make sure to finish the video for y'all. But I'm going to crank up the heat. So remember I showed y'all how to do the percolator. Hey, percolator. Percolator. Hey. So anyway, here's my breakfast for today. I got my coffee coming up. Pour a little syrup on that. I got a nice quick little breakfast to last me till lunch. So, like I said, there's no excuse not to have a good breakfast before you leave the house. It takes less than 10 minutes. So, thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.